Thank you, President. The Iranian legislation provides guarantees of due judicial process, prohibits torture and contains provisions for the prosecution of officials committing acts of torture. However, many reports indicate a high number of cases of illegal arrests, incommunicado detention, torture, rape and even murder by security officials and paramilitary militias, in particular in the aftermath of the presidential elections. We call for the immediate end of such serious violations. How will the government investigate these cases in a credible manner and hold those responsible to account? Ethnic and religious minorities, in particular Baha'is, Sufi, Kurds, Azeris, Sunni Arabs, including Baluch, as well as converts, suffer from widespread discrimination and often violent harassment. The death penalty seems to be disproportionately applied against persons belonging to minorities, and recently also to political activists accused of the so-called crime of enmity against God. Which concrete steps will the government undertake to ensure the fundamental human rights of all Iranians, including those belonging to minorities, as enshrined in the covenants? We would like to make the following 11 recommendations to the government. Ratify the Convention Against Torture. Ensure the full implementation of international obligations and constitutional guarantees, including on prohibition of torture. Prosecute security officials involved in torturing, raping or killing. Provide information about the whereabouts of detainees to their families and legal defenders and provide access to them. Ensure the immediate release of illegally detained persons. Conduct a transparent and public inquiry into the violence emanating from security forces after the presidential elections of 2009. Ensure equal treatment of women and girls in law and practice. End the practice of executing juvenile offenders and of public executions, including through stoning. Take all appropriate measures to end the discrimination and harassment of persons belonging to ethnic and religious minorities. Respond positively to pending requests of several UN Special Rapporteurs to visit. And stop intimidation and harassment of human rights defenders, journalists, bloggers, media and artists. Thank you very much.
All right, thank